Hey, I'm Jesse here at OCRVCenter, and this time around we're gonna show you a project that we got going on. It's a trailer that it was an old dentist trailer, and what we're trying to do is just revive it. We did a whole bunch of taking things out of this thing. So we did a demolition of the flooring and the walls. Everything is replaced, brand new flooring. As far as the walls, we took all the paneling out. It was all rotten. It got mildew in it, so we took it out. We replaced it with new paneling. We did some of the paneling on the ceiling also. We did all LED lighting on this one. It used to be incandescent lighting. We took that out. We did all LED lighting now. We did fixtures here as far as faucets. There's some faucets that are just regular mechanical faucets like you have at home. There's gonna be some that are gonna be used back there, which are touchless faucets. Basically, when the dentist is working here, they don't want to touch anything around them, so basically they just have a sensor on the faucet where they just put their hands on it and basically water comes out. So that's a good thing as far as hygienic wise. So if we come over this way, we're gonna show you that here we have a few outlets on the wall that we have been installing, some new ones. In this place there's gonna be the dentist chair, it's a pretty big size chair, so we were told to also run Cat6 cabling. We're gonna have a full Ethernet system around here, including the camera there, which is a camera for security. So every single one of these stalls has a camera in them. Now if we keep coming this way, here we're gonna see one of the faucets I was talking about. This faucet here, just put your hand close to it and there's just water's gonna come out. So the dentist or whoever's helping them, they really don't have to take anything, not even their gloves off or whatever. So we're pretty much close to finishing this up. If you go around the outside, you're gonna see that it's fully wrapped. And this is one of the projects that we've been doing here at OCRVCenter. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We'll help you out. Thank you.